Good evening mga ka-Chismax, and tonight ay meron tayong Donville updates, and that is why I'm very happy and excited to watch and share these dahil ilang weeks din akong hindi nakapag-upload ng Donville contents, and probably this week I will do a reaction video and share my favorite scenes from their movie Love is Colorblind that I highly recommend you watching. And this is the trailer of their movie Love is Colorblind, and let's watch it again.
Hindi niya ba ako Kailan ba kami magtatagpo ng tingin? Ay! Sky?
Kayong dalawa ba?
Ano ka ba? Best friends kami. Di ba, Ino?
The new Gen Phenomenal Love Team in their first movie team-up. Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano. Love is Colorblind. Directed by John Leo Datuin Garcia.
Kung ano man yung binabalak mo, ituloy mo na.
And alam nyo guys, yung mga scenes dito ay kasama din sa mga favorite scenes ko from the movie, because this is the movie that you never see coming dahil you will feel emotions that you've never felt from other movies before. This is very worth it to watch, and I highly suggest na you should watch it with your teenagers, because this is a family movie, very wholesome, and mag-i-enjoy ang lahat ng ito. But, kailangan nyong magdala ng tissue dahil talagang iiyak kayo dito sa movie na ito. Dahil napakaganda talaga. And kaming mga Donville fans, Donville family, are very happy dahil sa mga recognitions and sa suportang natatanggap ng Donville, dahil napaka humble, napaka down to earth naman talaga ni na Donnie and Belle. They are good role models to the younger generation. And ito naman ang sinabi ng Donville Daily sa kanilang mga haters. Let's watch this. Nagpahimlay sa maraming Donville supporters last week. Let's see. Daw, diba? Sila ay magkasama pong na-meet ang kanilang pastor, and lahat ay kinilig dito dahil closer you and I nga naman ang dalawa, hindi ba? But, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I wanna see the hands if they're holding hands pa. But, syempre, diba? we should just be happy dahil magkadikit naman na yan. And this one. Parang dito ay kumakain sila. And yes, magkatabi pa rin sila. Ang sweet naman, hindi ba? Parang couple goals. Char. And dito din, parang paalis na sila. And eto naman, picture taking before leaving, hindi ba? And eto naman ang nakakatawa dahil ang hair tie ni Belle ay na-link kay Donnie. Dahil sabi nga ni Belle, ito ang hair tie na hindi niya kayang mawala. While Donnie is the exception, hindi ba? Dahil kitang-kita naman na gamit-gamit ni Donnie ang kanyang hair tie. Let's watch it.
Na hindi ko pwedeng mawala. Hindi ko alam bakit. Itong taling to, as in, never siyang pwedeng mawala. Ganun.
Buhay niya yan.
Natali na hindi ko pwedeng mawala. Hindi ko alam bakit.
O, diba? Hindi niya pwedeng mawala, pero si Donnie ay hindi rin pwedeng mawala. Kaya, Donnie is the only exception. O, diba? So, syempre naman, makaka-relate naman tayo dyan, diba? Yung mga exes natin before. Diba? Hawak-hawak yung mga scrunchies natin, yung mga hair tie natin. And we can see na they are very close and we're very happy about that. Hindi ba? And congratulations to the Dawn Bell because they won Love Team of the Year award and Breakthrough Artist of the Year, and for their Listen to Her Digital Series of the Year, and hindi naman talaga magpapatalo dahil kinabog lahat ng mga billboard sa New York ang billboard ni Belle sa kanyang single na Tanging Dahilan, hindi ba? Sa kanyang album na Equal. And congratulations kay Belle and Donnie sa lahat ng blessings na natatanggap nila dahil they are very hardworking, they are humble, they are down to earth, they are full of the wisdom na magandang role model to our younger generation, hindi ba? Napaka-wholesome nila. So, we're hoping for more projects and revelations of their relationship status. I'm just kidding. From Dawn Bell soon, and yeah, sana marami pang projects dahil aabangan talaga namin yung love team na ito dahil we're hoping na sila na endgame. Hindi ba? We would be very happy about that. And that is all for tonight's Dawn Bell updates. And if you like this video, please do like and subscribe for more updated showbiz chika on the go.